In this video, you'll be learning how to add your friends to Roblox Team Create, so stay tuned. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open Roblox Studio, and then once you've done that, you want to open a base plate or any of the pre-selections that you want to do for your game. And then the first thing you want to do, you want to go to View at the top. You want to select Team Create. Make sure this is on. Once this is on, you go to the Team Create, you click Publish, you choose a name for your game, description, etc., and then you click Create. Then you click Close, and then you click Turn On in Team Create. Once you've done that, it's going to kick you out and put you back in. So now at this stage, we're going to go to Home at the top, Navigation, and we're going to click Game Settings. We're going to go under Permissions, and under Collaborators, we're going to add the username of the person we want to add. So for me, I'm going to add Sweeto. I put in their name, I select them, and if I want them to come in the studio with me, I just click Edit, and then I click Save. And then now they're invited and they can join the Roblox Studio. So if that helped you, make sure to click the like button, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.